Hello and welcome to Translate, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. And in this channel, usually we try to find the best possible answer to a question. And today's question is how or how a humanoid robot partner cools down after everything is over. Over that means after a physically intimate act, how a humanoid robot cools down. Okay, so we'll try to find the best possible answer to this question, of course, and we'll discuss some technological part, of course, so that you can know your human robot partner better and better. But before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, lots of thanks. And finally, although I talk about human sexuality, human sexual behaviors, and some amazing psychological facts about human sexuality, but there is no vulgarity in this channel, and I don't promote any kind of vulgarity to this channel. So keep supporting Wooden Sled, keep watching Wooden Sled. Let's come back to our topic again. So, what is cooling? I mean, after a physically intimate act, how a robot, because a robot is consisting thermoelectric devices, and thermoelectric devices can be used to cool down the robot's actuators and other components, because robots actuators are basically motors, and when you have some physical activities like any kind of physical intimate act, these motors get heated up, so it needs to be cooled down so that you can use it again for the next session. Okay, and other components also, there are a lot of other components that also get heated up. So this is important, that thermoelectric devices, we can use thermoelectric devices to cool down robots after everything is over, after any kind of physical activity is over. This is important because robots can generate a lot of heat when they are moving, when they move their legs, when they move their buttocks, when they move their hips and other leg joints and etc. There are a lot of heats generated. So if the robot is not cooled properly, the components can overheat and ultimately fail. It will not work anymore. You need to send your robot to the factory again, which is very cumbersome and rather frustrating, isn't it? So we will try to understand what is happening beneath or under the curtain. Okay, when an electric current is applied to thermoelectric device in a humanoid robot, it creates a temperature difference between the two sides of the device. Okay, just try to understand. It's a not very difficult concept. This is because the thermoelectric effect is a reversible process, not irreversible process, like meaning that it can work in both directions. It heats up and it cools down. Okay, when an electric current is applied to a thermoelectric device, it creates a temperature difference between the two sides of the device. This is called the Peltier effect. Peltier effect. Okay. The reverse is also true. When a temperature difference is applied to a thermoelectric device, it creates an electric current, and this is called the Seebeck effect. Okay, so there are two types of effects, and this is, of course, new information. Please keep them in your mind when you have some physical activities with your robots, be it physical intimate act or physical exercise or any kind of anything you are doing. There are two main reasons. One is cooling, and the second is power generation. Thermoelectric devices can also be used to generate electricity from the robot's waste heat. We'll talk about it in the next video. And how we can use that waste heat, I will explain in the next video. So don't miss the next video, which will be very interesting. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Keep watching Wooden Sled. Take care and stay safe.